doing a little bit of math there, kind of figuring up how much metal you need. But with all that calculation done, this is where I'm up to now. Now that handle right there, that's 1/2 inch round bar. I done already heated up the end down there to make that sharp bend. Got them brackets on there, pivot points. But I chose on this one, think it's going to work out to be a good idea. Instead of making the traditional V-shaped handle, I chose to come straight out. That's about 9 inches there. I made my bend come into a taper as such to warrant. That's a 6-inch pipe right there. That's going to be the handle. I'll weld that on there when I get it lined up over on the welding table. But you can see I laid out some lines there. This end and the middle end right there, that's a cold bend right there. I didn't put no heat on that. I just put it over in that there press, pressed them out like that. Now let's make another one. Well, if I was going to do some more of these right here like this, I would go ahead. I done already be made up a jig to do it in, but you can see I done already pre-deer them on the end right there to get that cotter in there, to hold them on there, and then heated that end up, made my bend on it. So now I'll come up this way right here. About 9 inches up that way right there, make an inward bend and come on up on that end up there. And go ahead and make that other bend up there to match that handle up down there. Oh yeah. Just go ahead and put them in that there press set up there. I'm going to make initial bend on them to it once, and then once I get them out of there, I'll tweak each one individually. Yeah, that'd be enough. See what I got. Needed 4 of them. Gas engine cart handles, what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. When you buff that up, that's the way it looks right there. That's the front part of down yonder. This is the rear part. We'll go on that in. But it's only one right there. And the work order called for 2 units. So there's the other bolster on that pivot. And then you have to have a handle, which will be that'll be welded to comprise a handle. And the corresponding rear bolster. What I'm talking about. Hey, y'all remember we laid that blueprint out there? Hey, y'all remember we laid that blueprint out there on that piece of wood and paper, drawed it out full size. Got everything here fitting up now, loosely. 2 carts. I think I'll put a clear coat on them. I'll do a little metal finishing, slick them up a little bit, and then I think I'll put a clear coat on them. Let's get that done.